It's my turn. To find out why the principals at my firm specify Ellison doors for our most prestigious projects, and have so for decades. It's my turn to find out what truly makes an Ellison the best, and why balanced doors manufactured in this small town in western New York make it onto the world's most renowned buildings. It's my turn to find out for myself, step by step, what makes an Ellison an Ellison. That's the Ellison commitment. A commitment to creating the highest quality, longest lasting door in the world. There are no assembly lines. Instead, each door is truly handcrafted, meticulously, not mass-produced, but created one piece at a time. It's old-world craftsmanship meeting modern technology, all to build a product like no other. An Ellison custom balanced door. And now I know why it is that once you specify your first Ellison, you've arrived.